Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How y'all doing today? Alrighty, today is definitely a Blame Melissa's Corner because this is something she was letting go and it's on my wish list. So this is a wish list item that I am unboxing here. It was one of the things she was letting go because she went down the Ferragamo rabbit hole and so she let go about 10 of them, and so this is the one I chose to keep because I wanted something else from her. Not that I already had some items from her, but this one was on my wish list of items. So let's see. She boxed very, very well. Now, cute. Here is the bag. It's a Strathsberry. Now, it's a Strathsberry because of Princess Kate, Princess Catherine. Y'all know I'm a royalist, and so a lot that is on my wish list has to do with bags that they made famous, that Catherine made famous, or help make famous, or that she carried, or Queen Elizabeth, some of the stuff that she carried when she was younger, Princess Anne, but mainly Princess Kate, because I love Princess Kate. And then right now, by the time you see this, we heard the sad news that she, when she had her abdominal surgery, that they found cancer. And I lost my mom to cancer. And then we also lost my father-in-law to cancer. So cancer has hit us very hard. So I was devastated when I heard the news. And people are just so mean to her. When somebody's genuinely nice, they want to knock her down. And then her sister-in-law is a sister-in-law from Hell. We won't even talk about that. So it's not because of her sister-in-law, it's because of Kate. Had carried these way before she came into the picture. That other one came into the picture. So this is when I started liking them and wanting them. And then Melissa, ooh, look at this, was the right size, and it was a gray color. Let's see the little chain. Melissa didn't even carry her. Melissa didn't even carry her. Okay, so here is the chain. She does come undone on the sides, but she's a small one. That's how it goes, like that. She's so cute. So Melissa has some other ones that she kept, Strathsberries that she kept. But yeah, this is a shoulder bag. It's not a crossbody bag. Well, no, it's not a crossbody bag on me. Yeah, no, that's a boob bag. I would have to put an extender. In fact, I have something here that might work. Let's see. This is a fussy bag to get in and out of. But this would definitely be one of those that you would carry for a special occasion, for a wedding, something like that I never go to anymore. I never go to anymore. But that's cute. Okay, there we go. But I probably would move this over to the front side and do it that way. Very cute. So let me give you the 360. Let me take the chain off though. The chain here, it says Strathsberry on the chain. Yeah, right here it says Strathsberry right there. And it also has it on this one. Does it have it on this? Yeah, it says it on there as well too. Strathsberry. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it. Right here, let me show you all the inside. So here's the inside of it. It's cute. It has a little pocket back here, probably card-sized pocket. It also has some accoutrements. Has a strawberry. It says F. Vasquez. This is to certify that your new Strathsberry purchase has been carefully reviewed and sealed by a Strathsberry quality expert, F. Vasquez. This bag was made in Spain. Very nice. Very cool. Very cool. So put this in here. It has the magnets here. Let me put this inside. I know we're bad. You know, when you're a collector, and I can't say anything because I'm the same way now. You know, I have totally gotten crazy to where I have stuff that I haven't used, still have tags on it. I don't go anywhere anyway, but I use them around the house. I use them around the house. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. This is something I really wish I could wear out. I could, you know, take somewhere and wear it out. I'll have to, next time I'll have to go to the doctor. Next time I go to the doctor, I'll have to take it with me. Although it's kind of hard because when I go to the doctor, I have to have lots of stuff with me. So, but here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. There's the top. The bottom has feet. There's like the top view. So yeah, so another one marked off my list. The only one I need left. She wouldn't sell me any of her demiers. The demiers that I wanted, she still wanted to keep. So I didn't get any of those. But that's next on my list of to get. I have until July to see how many I can mark off my list. I can mark off my list. Bean Beauties, if you've been here since the beginning, what has happened to me? What has happened to me? Oh my goodness. All of my friends have influenced me so much. All my YouTube friends have influenced me so much. But I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it. And I'm glad you are along for the ride. And thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you so much for making my time on YouTube just a very, very pleasant one so far. I say so far. I haven't gotten very many mean remarks. I've gotten a few of them, but generally, you know, I have been, you know, very, very lucky. So thank God for that. Trying to get to that 1,000 mark, 1,010 by early summer. I'm hoping by July, the 4th of July. I'm hoping by the 4th of July that I can get to 1,010. So if y'all can help me out with that, I'd greatly appreciate it. The way you help me out is by watching my videos, which y'all are doing if you're here, by subscribing, by sharing, and by commenting. Because one of the things is that if you comment in your videos and you also have views on your videos, then YouTube will push it out, push you out, and allow other forms to be seen as well too. So I am doing what I can. You know, I'm helping the economy in a one way or another. I'm feeding that economy all by myself, getting some things marked off my wish list, and just need y'all to help me by just watching little old me and by sharing and subscribing and commenting. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. Love y'all. Bye.